Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel AT&T Internet services, detailed guide step by step clearly. To cancel your AT&T Internet services, begin by gathering your account information. Find your AT&T account number and password. Make sure you have a note of any promotional offers or contracts associated with your service. Next, visit the AT&T website to access their customer service section. You can also call AT&T's customer support directly at 1-800-288-2020. Prepare yourself for potential retention offers when you contact them. When you reach your representative, clearly explain that you wish to cancel your internet services. Be ready to verify your identity by providing personal information linked to your account. If you are under a contract, ask about any early termination fees that might apply. Inquire about the final bill and any equipment return instructions. Ask the representative to confirm your cancellation in writing. Keep a record of the cancellation confirmation for your records. If you have any AT&T equipment, follow the instructions provided for returning it. Visit a UPS store or return it via mail, as directed by AT&T. Once the equipment is returned, confirm that your account is fully canceled. Monitor your bank statements for any unexpected charges after cancellation. That completes the process for canceling your AT&T Internet services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.